Duke, I'm bored again. Like I said, we're always bored. There's nothing to do around this stinking house. I know. Candy the cat went to the vet. And Chihuahua dog, I don't know. Chihuahua dog went to the vet too, bro. Oh, okay. But I heard that there's another pet coming in. A pet? What kind of pet? I have no clue. I just heard it. Meanwhile, come on, go in there, bud. I said go in there. Sparky, Duke, I got you a new friend. Hurry, Duke, do the bark. Ruff! Ruff, ruff, ruff! Ruff, 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 ruff. Calm down, Duke. Here's your little buddy. Gab, 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 gab. Ruff, 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 ruff. What's that? Did you just talk? Ruff, ruff, ruff. He's a bird. Gabba, gabba, gabba. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Gabba, gabba, gabba. Well, see you guys later. Bye. Well, bye. Woof! Bro, he's gone. You could stop doing the fake talking. Okay. Hey, little bird. What's your name? Chuck. Chuck? What kind of name is Chuck? It's my name. Ever heard of it? Bro, did you just run away that fast? Yep. Yes, indeed, I did. You seem very unnice, you know that? Dude, chill. He's a new friend. Well, I guess maybe you're right, Sparky. I'm always right, dude. Not always, but anyways. What is your name, bird? I just told you. It's Chuck. Chuck the angry bird. Can I have a moment with my brother for a minute? Sure. Okay, Sparky? Yeah, dude? When Candy the cat comes home, he's probably gonna eat Chuck. Then we gotta hide him then. I don't know about that, but go grab him. Okay, dude. Hop on my back, bro. Okay. Whoop. Woo. Just stay next to me and Duke, okay? Whatever you say, bro. Whoop.